Good morning and welcome to an early-ish shiver show. Oh my word, it's cold enough to freeze the balls off a brass monkey. I don't know if you'll be able to see that twinkling light just there? Go on, you, behave yourself. Whoa. There's a twinkling light just there, up in the tree line. That is a digger, and that will be another fucking wind farm. Yeah, I'm a NIMBY, not on my doorstep. We've got enough of the fucking things. And then up there is more twinkling lights. Just there, twinkling lights and a big yellow strip of sort of welfare buildings and things like that. That's another wind farm. That's Enoch Hill, and they've marched all the way with an access road all the way over there, within a stone's throw of those fucking wind turbines there, which is South Kyle wind farm, run by Vattenfall. When you're driving up the roads up there, over there, you get a bird's eye view, and you can see that they've come within a stone's throw of the access road for that wind farm, for a new fucking wind farm. So we'll just rampage over the countryside and destroy things, shall we? Fucking lunatics are running the asylum, really. There's diggers over there as well. You can see them twinkling away at night. So it's an early morning moan and a shit show. That's before I even get started on the bloody forest that's going there. So early morning shit show. Really, I should keep my voice down. I've got to move all these out of the way, and I've got to break down these, because in my infinite wisdom I decided to bury one of the aluminum channels underneath them. And that channel's got a couple of hooks on it, so I can't go dragging it out without snagging the wires on those panels and doing damage. So a bit of early morning exercise to break that down, try and get underneath them or move them and break them down. So that will warm me up. You do not want to go out there, Isla. Beep beep, beep beep. Stay, that's a good girl. I've got a little bit of a problem. So I had to go and keep you out in the warm, because it is cold. Houston, we have a slight problem. Might not be cold enough to freeze the balls off a brass monkey, but it's cold enough to weld solar panels to the floor. So they are firmly attached to terra firma. Oh shit, I'm not gonna go yanking the panels about, because obviously don't want to flex them and shatter them. See, probably get one or two up, but they're stuck us. Oh fuck! Oh, yeah, I don't like that. That's not a good idea. Let's see what the old car's saying. And awaken. Skoda. Come on. Ooh, minus 8.5. Holy guacamole.